Ancient calendars. Many scientists believe that it was close to the Holocene period, that is 13,000, 14,000 years ago, that the Earth experienced the last global catastrophe that changed the shape of the continents and caused the Gulf Stream to break into the Arctic Ocean. Defending the hypothesis of this global catastrophe, a scientist from Kiev, head of the laboratory at the Institute of Cybernetics of the Academy of Sciences within the Ukrainian SSR, Yuri Konygin, points out that the fact that calendars of several peoples point to the same date. It is well known that in ancient times, each civilization had its own calendar, its own chronology, which took its beginning from some real events, a flood, an earthquake, or the end of a migration of people. In the ancient history of mankind, there is indeed an amazing coincidence of the initial points of reference of various chronologies. The ancient Egyptian calendar, Sothic cycle, had 1,460 years. One of these cycles ended in 1322 BC, or 1322 BC. If you count 7 cycles back, you get 11,542 BC. The ancient Assyrian calendar consisted of lunar cycles of 1,805 years. The end of one of these cycles occurred in 712 BC. If you count 6 cycles back, you will again get to 11,542 BC. The ancient Indian lunar solar cycle consisted of 2,850 years. Iron Age, Kali Yuga, in which we now live, began in 3,102 BC. Counting 3 cycles back from this date, we will get 11,652 BC. For the ancient Maya, Central America, the beginning of the calendar era is the year 3,373 BC, and the calendar cycle is 2,760 years. Counting 3 cycles back, we get to 11,653 BC.